Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to start another important topic of graph theory, that is cut set matrix. So to draw the cut set matrix, I want to tell you what is cut set. A fundamental cut set means it is a cut set that divides graph into two parts, and the rule of division is that the cut set must contain only one twig and remaining links. So what are the possible cut sets for this graph? See, there are number of 3 twigs. It means there are total number of 3 cut set in graph. So first cut set is this, and second cut set is this, and third cut set is this. So this is C1, this is C2, this is C3. Now cut set means it must contain only one twig and remaining links. So here you can see that in cut set 1 there is only one twig and remaining are the links. In cut set 2 only twig 2 and there are remaining links. In cut set 3 there is only one twig, that is branch number 3, and remaining are the links. So there are 3 fundamental cut sets for this graph. F cut sets represent the optimum number of cut sets with which we can solve the networks. Now we will take some sign convention to draw the cut set matrix. So sign convention is, suppose this is a node and branch direction is like this, then we will take -1 sign. And if this is the node and branch direction is like this, that both the twig and the branch meet at the junction, that or if twig and the branch both leaves the junction, then sign is +1. If branch is not lying in the cut set, then we will take 0. See, first of all we will draw the row for cut set 1. Here number of rows in this matrix are equals to the number of cut set, and number of columns in this matrix are equals to the number of branches. So first we will write the cut set 1 row. So in cut set 1 only this 1 and 4 are included. Okay, 1, 4 and 5 are included. So 1, 4 and 5, and remaining branches are not included in this cut set. That's why 2 and 3 are not included in this cut set. That's why we make them 0. Now see the branch 1. Here it is the twig, that's why we will write +1. Now see the branch 4. In the branch 4 we can see that at node D the direction of branch 4 and direction of branch 1 satisfied this sign. Okay, so it will be -1. Now see the branch 5. Branch 5 leaves the node and this also leaves the node D. So it means it is +1. Now see the cut set 2. In the cut set 2 the twig included is 2. So we will write +1 for 2. Now this cut set 2 includes 2, 4 and 5 branch, means 2, 4 and 5, and remaining branches are not included in the cut set, that's why we make them 0. So what is direction of 4? See, if we see the 4, then we can see that both branch 2 and 4 leaves the node B. That's why here we will write +1 at 4. We will write +1 at 4. This is 1, this is 0, 0, +1, 0, 0, +1. Now see the branch 5. Here in the branch 5, we can see that this branch 5 and this is branch number 2, and they are forming this sign convention, that is it is equals to -1. Now take the cut set 3. Only branch 3 and 5 are included in cut set 3 and 5. So remaining branches are not included in cut set, that's why we make them 0. Now see the branch 3. Branch 3 is the twig, that's why obviously we will put +1 here. And for the branch 5 we can see the direction, both the 3 and 5 are moving towards this node C. It means we will write +1 here. So in this way we can draw the fundamental cut set matrix for a given graph. Now you can clearly see that these first three rows are formed by first three columns of this matrix are formed by the twigs, and remaining two columns are formed by the links. Here you can see that these twigs forms a unity matrix. So we can write QF is equals to unity matrix ratio links matrix. Okay, because these two columns are formed by links and first three columns are formed by the twigs. So this is the complete concept of cut set matrix. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram.
If you got the knowledge and concepts from this video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can give your views and ask any questions related to this topic in comment box. Also share this video with your friends because sharing is caring. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.